Hello, boys and girls. For math today, we're going to be reading a counting story. It's called This First Thanksgiving Day. One dressed in linen, sitting in a tree, dreaming of the tall, strong ship on which he crossed the sea. Two dressed in deerskin, gathering nuts below, giggling as they tiptoe by, too shy to say hello. Three in the garden pulling up some roots, turnips for the pottage pot and parsnips for the soup. Four helping father catch fish in the bay, some to dry for winter time and some to eat today. Five in the forest searching as they roam, finding sticks to light the fire that keeps them warm at home. Six stepping softly with small bows in hand, following a rabbit's tracks across a patch of sand. Seven fetching water, run with pails to fill, then walk home with careful steps so not a drop will spill. Eight on the sandbar, working in a crew, digging for some tasty clams to make a steaming stew. Nine in the cornfield, bringing in the maize, sowed with care as Squanto taught last spring on planting days. 10 making baskets by the fire's glow, weaving a slender cattail reeds while singing soft and low. 11 rejoicing in the autumn sun, laughing, shouting, playing tag, their chores at last all done. 12 tables groaning beneath a harvest spread, Wampanoag and pilgrim friends together will break bread, joined under one sky with one prayer to say, a prayer of thanks for all they have this first Thanksgiving Day. All right, that was a counting story. We're going to do some counting for math today. This is turkey 10 frames, and I'm going to kind of show you the directions and do one or two with you, and then you're going to finish on your own. The first thing you're going to do is put your name on the top. That is always the first thing we do with our paper, so we know whose work it is. All right, the directions say color the 10 frames to match the numbers on the turkey. So you're going to look at each turkey and you're going to read the number on his belly. What number is on this turkey's belly? 2. So I'm going to come to this 10 frame right next to him and I'm going to color in 1, 2 squares. Okay? And I'm going to come down. What number is on this turkey's belly? 5. So I'm going to color in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares on that 10 frame. Now I want you all to keep going. You're going to look at the number on each turkey's belly and you're going to color that many squares on the 10 frame beside him. And then when you get done coloring in your 10 frames to match the number, you can go back and color your turkeys as well. All right, and we're going to do some more turkey counting tomorrow.